Okay, in the previous video we studied about the abiotic components of the ecosystem. Now we will go to the last part of the chapter, that is the forest ecosystem. Okay, what is forest? Forest is a large area of land covered by trees. So a large area where many trees are present, such an area will be called as a forest. Nearly one third of the earth's surface is covered by the forest, and you will be finding varieties of plants and animals in a particular type of forest. Okay, so we are going to study over here three different types of forest: the tropical rainforest, temperate forest, and boreal forest. We will start with the tropical rainforest. Where are these type of forest found? They are found along the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. You already know what are Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. Okay, so I need not go into detail of that. So the tropical rainforest are found between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. Okay, and they are called as tropical rainforest because they uh, get abundant rainfall throughout the year. Okay, that is the reason they are called as rain forest. Okay, now see, whatever types of forest we are going to study, we will be studying two terms, flora and fauna. What is flora? Flora refers to the plants that are found in that particular area, and fauna refers to the animals that are found in that particular area. So these two terms we are going to study in each type of forest: the flora, the types of plants that are present in a particular forest, and the types of animals that are found in that particular forest. Okay, so talking about the tropical rainforest, the plants found in this area are generally tall trees. Okay, many types of plants are there, but tall trees are also found. So the examples are sequoia, rubber, ebony, mahogany. Orchids are also found. Small plants like mosses, ferns are also seen in the tropical rainforest. Woody climbers called as vines are also seen, which will be climbing on the tree high up and reach for the sunlight. Okay, understanding? So these are the different types of plants that are seen in the tropical rainforest. Coming to the animals, the tropical rainforests are home for many different types of animals, birds, and microorganisms. Okay, the animals which are seen in such forest are like monkey, bat, gorilla, snake, lizard, jaguar, sloth bear, tree frog, and birds like toucans, parrot, hornbill, macaw are also seen. Sunbird is also seen in the tropical rainforest. You will be finding certain insects like ants, mosquito, butterflies to be seen in the tropical rainforest. Okay, so the tropical rainforest has good number of plants and also animals seen in them, right? It is a rich diversity that is seen for the plants and animals in the tropical rainforest. Understood? So this is the tropical rainforest and its flora and fauna. Coming to the next type of forest, that is temperate forest. Okay, temperate forests are located above the tropics. Okay, now we are having two different types of temperate forest: temperate deciduous forest and temperate evergreen forest. When we talk about the temperate deciduous forest, they contain trees that will be shedding all their leaves once a year. Okay, for uh, in the whole year there will be one time when the leaves of all the trees will fall down. Okay, so such forest which is having the trees that shed all their leaves once a year, they are called as deciduous trees. Okay, and such deciduous trees are found in temperate deciduous forest. Coming to the temperate evergreen forest, here the forest remains green whole year, and they contain the trees that do not shed all their leaves at once. Okay, some leaf fall will be seen, but the whole whole tree will not become naked of leaves. Okay, now the type of plants that are found in temperate deciduous forest are maple, birch, elm, and in temperate evergreen forest they are oak, fig, and laurels. Okay, coming to the fauna or the type of animals that are seen in the temperate forest. So you will be finding animals that live in the that are well adapted to the cool climate of the temperate forest. Okay, temperate forests are found in colder regions, so you will be finding the animals which are adapted to cold climate. So the examples of animals are mountain lion, fox, koala bear, squirrel, black bear. Okay, and the types of birds that can be seen in the temperate forest are bald eagle, barred owl, pileated woodpecker. Okay, all these different types of animals and birds you will be observing in the temperate forest. Okay, so that was about what is temperate forest, the flora and fauna of the temperate forest. Coming to the third type of forest that is seen, it is called as the boreal forest. Okay, now see, boreal forests are found towards the north of the temperate forest. That means again the temperature in the boreal forest will be lower. Okay, much lower than that found in the temperate forest. Boreal forest is also considered as coniferous forest. Okay, because there you will be finding coniferous trees to be present. We will come to that later on, but for now, boreal forests are found towards the north of the temperate forest. The temperature in the boreal forest is very low. Okay, they are found around Canada, Siberia, Mongolia and Russia. They are also called as taiga. Okay, so these regions are called as taiga regions. You must have studied in your geography about the taiga region. Okay, now coming to the flora of the boreal forest. Boreal forest mostly consist of coniferous trees. Okay, coniferous trees are the trees which are having the cone shaped structure. Okay, the branches will be drooping down, right, in the lower direction, so it is forming a cone shaped structure. That is why it is called as coniferous. Okay, understanding? Yeah. So the types of trees which are coniferous, which belong to coniferous forest, they are pine, fir, spruce. Okay, the speciality of such forest is they have needle leaves. Okay, the leaves are very thin like needle, so their leaves itself are called as needle, they are not called as leaves. Okay, second thing, they bear cone shaped structures which will be containing the seeds. So these are very important characteristics of the coniferous plants, that their leaves are needle shape and the seeds are present in cone shaped structure. Okay, then the fauna that is found in the boreal forest. Okay, now see, as I told you, the temperature in the boreal forest is very low. Okay, so you will be finding the animals which are well adapted to harsh cold climate conditions. Only such animals you will be finding in the boreal forest. Okay, now how these animals will be protecting themselves from the harsh cold climate? They will protect themselves with the help of the thick fur that they are having. Okay, now the examples are wolves, foxes, deer, grizzly bear, moose, chipmunks. All these different types of animals are found in the boreal forest. Okay, so boreal forest is found towards the north of the temperate forest. It has very low temperature. It is also called as taiga. Okay, and the different types of plants and animals that are found in the boreal forest we have discussed over here. So in this part we have studied the three different types of forest that are found in the different regions of the world: tropical rainforest, then temperate forest and boreal forest. Okay children, so with this we finish with the chapter ecosystem. Okay, bye.